Emotional eating is when people use food to cope with their feelings or to make themselves feel better in an emotional or stressful situation. Emotional eating can involve eating much more than would normally be eaten in a given situation, or eating food that is not usually part of a healthy diet. People may do this in order to cope with stress, sadness, loneliness, or other difficult emotions. Today's tapping sequence will help you break free from comfort eating. Welcome back to Selfcare Karen. This video is part of my EFT series. EFT is emotional freedom technique, or you might have heard of it as tapping. And I have done a short introduction video that explains a little bit more about this alternative therapy. And if you would like to watch that video, then just click on this link up here. This video has got timestamps, so if you want to skip ahead just to the tap along sequence, then just go to the video description and you'll see the timestamps there. So I have actually done a fair few of these tap along sequences, and what I've done is I've packaged them into a playlist so that they're all in one place and very accessible, and the playlist is linked up here. I do sell EFT related products in my Etsy shop. I also sell other self-care products in my Etsy shop. And if you want to actually download the script that I've used today for today's video, then you can do so in my Etsy shop. And if you sign up for my mailing list, not only will you get a free or two different downloads, a weekly habit tracker and a meditation script, but you'll also get a discount code to my shop, so you can purchase that with a discount. Please do let me know in the comments if there is a topic that you would like me to cover. I'm more than happy to take requests. So I found that EFT really is a very effective therapy for dealing with beliefs that don't serve me, dealing with those blocks that are stopping me from moving forward, and from also changing my thought pattern so it's more positive rather than negative. All of these things help me live my best life. I am definitely an emotional eater. When I'm sad, I eat. When I'm happy, I eat. When I'm tired, I eat. When I'm nervous or stressed, I eat. I acknowledge this. I also acknowledge that the power lies with me to break the cycle of emotional eating. And really, I've written this tapping sequence to reprogram my mind and really lean into the better version of me. So join me in this tap along sequence if you would like to do the same. Now, don't worry if you're new to EFT. It's very simple. Just follow along with what I'm saying and where the points that I'm tapping on my body. And if you haven't watched the video, don't worry. It really is a very, very easy to follow along therapy. Even if you don't want to say the words, just listen to the words. That's also fine. So it seems I always choose the day to film when there's most noise going on, but hopefully you have found somewhere quiet to be, where you can just take a moment or two to check in with how you're feeling, make sure that you're getting comfortable, and then just start to breathe with awareness and take in a deep breath and follow what I do and follow what I say. So we're starting with the karate chop. Even though I take comfort from food, I love and accept myself. Even though I eat food I do not need, or when I'm not hungry, I love and honour myself. Even though I sometimes do not always make the best food choices, I love and respect myself. Okay, we're going to shift to the eyebrow. I comfort eat. I am an emotional eater. Side of eye. I am unkind to myself and think harsh and negative thoughts, and I take comfort from food. Under eye. I do not always let go of thoughts that do not serve me. Under nose. I do not always eat the best food at the right time in the right amounts. Chin. I feel that I hold on to past situations and feelings and find comfort from eating. Collarbone. I'm not always in control of what I eat. My emotions take over. Underarm. I'm ready to let go of all of that now. Top of head. I'm ready to step into my greatness. Back to the eyebrow. I'm ready to let go of thoughts I have that eating food at the wrong time is bringing me comfort. Okay, side of eye. I'm ready to create a new healthy habit around food and eating. Under eye. I am ready to choose to let go of what does not serve me. Under nose. I'm ready to let go of past regret, sadness, unhappiness, and the association that eating helps with those emotions. Chin. I'm ready to make healthy eating choices. Collarbone. I'm ready to honour my body. It is a temple. Underarm. I'm ready to show myself compassion and deal with my emotions differently. Top of head. I'm choosing to detach myself from thought patterns that do not serve me. Eyebrow. I'm choosing to let go of blockages that do not serve me. Side of eye. I have decided to release myself from associating eating with solving negative emotions. Under eye. I am ready to receive new perspectives. Under nose. I'm choosing to stop comfort eating. Chin. I love to eat healthy food that nourishes me. Collarbone. I free myself from limiting beliefs. Underarm. I choose to stop taking comfort from eating unhealthy food. Top of head. I eat foods to keep my body healthy and happy. Eyebrow. I choose to release myself from any emotional blocks I have created around eating and food. Side of eye. I'm excited to become healthier every day. Under eye. I am kind to myself. Under nose. I fuel my body with only the best foods. Chin. Eating healthy is easy. Collarbone. I am a healthy eater. Underarm. Every day I eat healthier and healthier. Top of head. I choose to stop comfort eating in all that I am and in all that I am becoming. Okay, take a deep breath in. You can stop tapping. Release your breath slowly and just take a moment or two to check in with how you're feeling. And you can come back to this tap along sequence at any time, as often as you need to. Whenever you get the urge really to comfort eat, that's a good time to come. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back again next week with another tap along sequence, and on Friday I'll be with you with a beauty product related video. Remember, you are in perfect time. See you soon.